So yeah, all I can do is repeat what I've said earlier in this week. So the Commission considers that given the circumstances, which include the scarcity of reliable data on the epidemiological situation in China, we need to take a precautionary approach. We need to ensure we remain vigilant. We need to give ourselves all the necessary tools to detect any new threats as early as possible. This is clearly a position which has been supported by the member states. You've seen the outcome of the IPCR meeting earlier this week. So what we're doing is we are being cautious. We are giving ourselves all the possible resources to identify threats as they might arrive. And as I said, and as the ECDC has said, as the Health Security Committee opinion published yesterday says, there is a scarcity of data available, and we need to take measures bearing that in mind. In terms of the specific measures that are being taken by member states, what we have now is an agreement that all member states should be putting in place measures on testing for passengers coming from China to member states. Now it's for the member states to put in place those measures as rapidly as possible. As you're aware, travel restrictions in China are being lifted as of this weekend. And we know a number of member states are obviously reacting according to that timeline. There will be a next meeting next week of the Health Security Committee on the 11th of January, and that will be an opportunity, the first opportunity for member states to report back to the Commission and to each other on the measures that they're taking. And I think it's at that point when we would be able to see the specific details of that and to see how member states are implementing these rules. But I'm not in a position to comment at this stage on how that is being done nationally.